In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FTMO MT5. First, let's get clear on what you're working with. You'll be trading on the MetaTrader 5 platform using an FTMO account, challenge, demo, or funded. And everything you do must respect FTMO's rules, like maximum daily loss and overall drawdown. MT5 is a multi-asset platform that brings charts, indicators, order entry, and account management together, so you can analyze and execute in one place. To connect your FTMO account, open MT5 and go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Enter your FTMO credentials along with the correct server name shown in your dashboard, then confirm. You'll know you're connected when the charts start moving, and the connection status at the bottom right shows data speed. If it doesn't, double-check the server selection and your internet connection. Next, a quick tour of the interface so you know where everything lives. On the left, MarketWatch lists available instruments like major forex pairs, indices, metals, and crypto. Right-click inside it and choose Show All if you don't see the symbol you need. In the center, the chart window is where you'll analyze price action, add indicators, and draw tools like trend lines or support and resistance. Along the bottom, the toolbox is your control panel. The Trade tab displays open positions, balance, equity, margin, while the History tab shows closed trades. On the left, the Navigator lets you switch accounts and access indicators and expert advisors. When you're ready to trade, press F9 or click New Order. Set the volume, which is your lot size, and define a stop loss and take profit before you execute to control risk. Choose Buy if you expect price to rise or Sell if you expect it to fall. After placing the order, monitor it in the toolbox under Trade to see current profit or loss, your SL and TP, and position size. To adjust risk or targets, right-click the position and choose Modify to update stop loss or take profit. For analysis, go to Insert, then Indicators, and add tools like Moving Average, RSI, or MACD. MT5 includes dozens of built-in indicators, so build a simple, repeatable setup that suits your strategy. To finish, enable one-click trading for faster entries. Focus on fewer instruments, use the FTMO metrics dashboard to track performance, and practice on the FTMO free trial before committing capital.